You will notice, as I did, that from my rear view mirror dashcam, one headlight from the Tesla Model Y appears to flash. Initially, I thought there was a police car behind me, but it turned out just to be this headlight oddity from a Tesla Model Y. Has anyone else observed this with headlights from Tesla? I thought it was the police. The light on that Tesla keeps on flashing. Keeps on flashing. Tesla Model Y headlight flashing in the back. Look at it, it keeps on flashing, the one on the left side. But then there's police on the other side, so that's why I thought, oh. Thanks for watching and stay safe.